How to make money online from home, a comprehensive guide. Today more people are looking for answers to the question how to make money online from home. In today's digital age, the internet has opened up countless opportunities for people to earn money online from the comfort of their own homes. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, start a side hustle, or even turn it into a full-time career, there are a plethora of options available to you. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most popular ways to make money online and provide you with tips and resources to help you get started. How to make money online from home, some simple solutions. Online surveys. One of the easiest and most popular ways to make money online is by taking online surveys. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback, and they are willing to pay for it. There are a number of reputable websites where you can sign up to take surveys, including SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Vindel Research. Keep in mind that you're not going to get rich taking surveys, but it is a simple way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Freelance writing. If you enjoy writing, there are many opportunities to make money online as a freelance writer. You can write for blogs, websites, or even ebooks. Many companies and individuals are willing to pay for quality content that is informative and engaging. To get started, create a portfolio of your work and start reaching out to potential clients through social media or freelance job sites like Upwork or Freelancer. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money online by tutoring students around the world. Online tutoring platforms like VIPKid and TutorMe allow you to connect with students and teach them in real time. Most online tutoring platforms require a bachelor's degree and some teaching or tutoring experience, but if you meet the qualifications, it can be a lucrative and rewarding way to make money online. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales. You can become an affiliate marketer for companies like Amazon or ClickBank. Then you will earn a commission on every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to build a following on social media or a blog. To be successful, you need to create valuable content that promotes the products you're affiliated with. Online store. If you have a product to sell, creating an online store can be a profitable way to make money online. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to create an online store and sell your products to customers. To be successful in online sales, you need to identify a niche market. Then either create products or sell existing products that are unique and in demand. Plus, you also need to invest time and money into marketing and advertising your online store. You have options. You can sell your own products or other people's products as an affiliate. Or you could try drop shipping. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. The main advantage of drop shipping is that the merchant doesn't have to invest in inventory upfront or manage a physical warehouse. This reduces the risk and overhead costs associated with traditional retail models. Drop shipping can be done through a variety of platforms or marketplaces, such as Shopify, Amazon, or eBay. The merchant sets up a store, selects the products they want to sell, and then sets the prices and descriptions. When a customer places an order, the merchant purchases the product from the supplier and provides the shipping information. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. While drop shipping can be a profitable business model, it also has its challenges. The merchant has less control over the product quality, shipping times, and customer service. It's important to research and select reliable suppliers and to communicate clearly with customers about the shipping times and product details. Virtual assistant. As more and more businesses move online, the demand for virtual assistants has skyrocketed. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs from a remote location. To become a virtual assistant, you need to have strong organizational and communication skills. You can find virtual assistant jobs on freelance job sites like Upwork, or by networking with business owners in your area. Virtual assistant jobs can vary depending on the needs of the client or company, but some common examples include administrative tasks such as email management, scheduling appointments, and data entry. Social media management, including creating and scheduling posts, responding to messages, and tracking analytics. Customer service, which may involve answering phone calls, responding to emails, or managing online chats. Content creation, such as writing blog posts, creating graphics, or editing videos. Research tasks, including market research, competitor analysis, and data gathering. Bookkeeping and accounting, including invoicing, tracking expenses, and managing financial records. Event planning and coordination, such as organizing webinars or conferences. Website management, including updating content, managing plugins, and troubleshooting technical issues. Travel arrangements, such as booking flights and hotels, creating itineraries, and managing travel expenses. Personal tasks, such as managing personal calendars, making reservations, or organizing personal finances. How to make money online from home. Conclusion. Making money online from home has never been easier. With so many options available, there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a little extra cash or a full-time career. By choosing the right opportunity, plus investing time and effort into building your online presence, as well as providing value to your clients or customers, you can turn your online venture into a successful and profitable endeavor.